Hi, I'm Lara Nicosia, the librarian for History and Religion and Classics at the University of Rochester, and this video is going to walk you through the process of identifying specific book chapters that you're interested in so that you can place requests for those book chapters through our new digitization service or interlibrary loan. So here, for example, I found a copy of a book that I'm interested in that's only available in hard copy in the Rushery stacks. So if I'm on campus, that's great. I can request a copy of this book for pickup from the library. But if I'm not on campus, what I'm really going to want is a digital scan of the chapters that are of interest to me. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on the title of the book itself. And that's going to take me to a page with some information about the book, and often it includes this contents section that will list out the individual book chapters. Sometimes this will be sufficient for what you need. Basically, you can scan this list here to see if there's any chapter titles that are of interest. If there are, all you're going to do is click My Account to log in. And once you're logged in, you'll see an option for digitization. And from here, you can complete this form that will include an option asking for the chapter title, the author, and the page numbers if you know them. Okay, so if I scroll down here, you'll see I don't necessarily know the page numbers, but I can at least provide the chapter title and author for this particular work for what I'm interested in. Now, sometimes it's not going to include this section, or sometimes the titles of the chapters themselves won't be sufficient to help me identify exactly what I need from the text. My next go-to source is Google Books. So if I go to Google Books and I type in the title of the book, and hit search, ideally I'm going to find a match for the book along with this option that says preview. Okay, if I click on this, it's going to give me a preview copy of the text. Now, because of copyright, I can't view the entire text, but this preview copy is really helpful because first I can always scroll down and again see that table of contents here. So if I didn't see the table of contents in the library's catalog, coming over here to Google Books might give me that table of contents that I need. And the nice thing here is that it also gives me the page numbers, which I was missing from the library catalog entry. The other thing is when it gives you this preview, I have this option to search within the text of the book. So I can search, for example, for a specific character that I'm interested in. And it's going to show me all the pages that have a match to that particular term, keyword that I'm searching for. Now, some of the pages, if you click on them, you can actually see the page, and that's great because sometimes this is sufficient for what you need. Others, as you scroll through, you'll see you're reading and it looks great, and you'll come across this option that says that certain pages aren't shown due to copyright restrictions. Okay, in cases like that, or if I go back to my search results again, on some of these pages it will say no preview available. You're going to use interlibrary loan or our digitization service to request the chapter that you need. But now I know that apparently page 31, 32, these pages maybe are of interest to me for my topic. And if I go back and go to the top of my search, I can see that looks like it would be chapter 3. And so I can put in a request now for chapter 3 because I know that those pages will be relevant. And not only that, once I get the book or the scan, I know kind of what pages to target in that particular chapter. Another situation that you might have is where you've identified a book, you search in Google Books, and the preview is not necessarily available. Even for these, Google Books can be helpful. When you click on the title for the book, it's usually going to take you into a little bit of a preview. And although I can't preview the book in great detail, I usually can still search within the book. and it will bring up for me some of the pages that are matching. Now, it doesn't always bring up all of the matches because we're not getting a full preview, but again, it's giving me at least a sense of where that particular term or phrase is appearing in the particular text. So those are some quick tips on how to find individual book chapters of interest using the library's catalog or Google Books. Remember, you can also always reach out to a librarian at the River Campus Libraries. We're always happy to help you hunt down that information that you need. Have a great day.